everyone, and this is a series of data questions solved in both SQL and Python Pandas, and the difficulty level is medium. Today's challenge is to solve the problem with the rank scores. For example, we have a table scores with the ID and score value, and we need to write a solution to find the rank of the scores. We have the following rules how to calculate the ranking. These scores should be ranked from the highest to the lowest, which already indicates of the ordering the values in descending order. If there is a tie between two scores, both should have the same ranking, which already indicates to the window functions that we have in SQL. And after a tie, the next ranking number should be the next consecutive integer value. The result should be ordered by score in descending order. We have a window function in SQL called rank. For this specific problem, we need to use the dense rank window function. But first, let's solve it with the rank function in order to see what's the difference between rank and dense rank and why we need dense rank instead of rank. So we write a select statement in SQL. The name of the column is scores. We need to display the score and we use the rank function. Since we use the whole table as our partition, we don't need to mention the partition keyword at all. So we order by score descending. Why? Because the scores should be ranked from the highest to the lowest. And in the end, the result table should be ordered by score in descending order. Therefore, in the end, we also order by score descending. So let's run this script to see why we do not want to use rank. As you can see, the standard rank window function correctly identifies the scores. However, it assigns ranks with gaps in the ranking sequence. Instead of continuing after 1 ranking with 2, it has a gap here and continues with 3. Now let's try to do the same, but use the function dense rank. With dense rank, you don't have the gaps anymore, and the ranking sequence is exactly what we need. Now let's move on to Pandas. The alternative in Pandas is the rank function with the parameter method dense. So we take the data frame scores, column score, and we use the function rank. As a parameter, we use the method dense. And as we mentioned already, we need to sort it in descending order, and in Pandas, if we want to sort in descending order, we write the parameter ascending false. We need the value to be integer, therefore we write as type integer. We will save this into a new column called rank. Therefore, we write the data frame scores and we create a new column and call it rank. And we are ready to return the result. So we return data frame scores and columns score and rank. The result we sort by score. So we use the function sort values. By score, and we need the result to be in descending order, therefore the parameter should be ascending, set to false. Let's run the code, and we successfully solved this problem in Python Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? The dense rank window function in SQL or the rank function with the method dense in Python Pandas? Let me know in the comments.